In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up radar fraud protection with your Stripe payments. This helps prevent unauthorized transactions and gives you more control over suspicious activity. Let's get started. First, go to stripe.com and sign into your account using your email and password. Make sure you're using the official site for security. Then, go to the Payments section from the left-hand dashboard where you manage your transactions and settings. Next, under Payments, choose Radar. This is Stripe's built-in fraud prevention tool. After that, click on Rules to customize how Radar will handle potential fraud. Finally, scroll down to the Conditions section. Here, you can enable or disable specific rules like country-based blocking, card metadata checks, or velocity checks to suit your needs. And that's how you activate Radar fraud protection with Stripe. If this helped secure your payments, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more fast and clear tutorials. See you next time!